What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going to be doing another art therapy session where we are going to be drawing this Zentangle pattern here. It's a very simple one to make. What you're going to be needing is a pen and pencil. We're also going to be going through a lot of the products that I've been uploading onto Redbubble, and also we have got our quote of the week at the end of the show as well, so stay tuned for that too. So what were you waiting for? Let's roll intro. How is everybody? Hope you all had a good week and a good weekend. Hope you all had a good bank holiday weekend as well. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos and art therapy videos on a Tuesday now as well, along with a quote of the week to get you through any of those hard times and a bit of motivation for you to start your week off really well. I upload art therapy videos on a Wednesday. These are mandala drawings that I create using my How to Draw Mandala book. It's a very simple book to use. All the mandalas that you want to be drawing are already pre-drawn. All the circles are already pre-drawn in this book, and all you have to do is just fill it in. You can either follow along to any of my videos that I create. I've created a special playlist for this book. I have other videos of mandala drawings that you can follow along and draw inside of that book as well. Link to the book is in the description below. I also upload and create designs for my Redbubble store. These are patterns, designs, t-shirts, text designs, graphic designs, and they feature on many products ranging from greeting cards, masks, phone covers, shower curtains, all those sort of products. You can find them on my Redbubble store. A lot of the designs are based around a lot of niches, a lot of different celebrations, things like that, ranging from dad quotes, mum quotes, for your cats, your dogs, and there's a lot of patterns on there as well. Here's a few examples of the designs that I've previously uploaded. Also as well, I upload any of the designs that I do on my mandala drawings on a Wednesday. I upload those designs onto the store as well. Want to check them out? Just click the link in the description below. So today, yes, we are going to be drawing this really nice, cool Zentangle pattern. Very easy to do. You can follow along with the book if you have the It's Not Just Motivational Mondays book as well. You can follow along on the art therapy session following this one, or there are plenty of patterns inside of that book for you to follow along with as well. So what we're all waiting for? Let's roll the video. So how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Before we head off, this is our new section for the show. What I'm going to be uploading, I'm going to be discussing and talking about motivational mindsets, different quotes, what their meanings are, and helping you to create a better life for yourself. And so today's quote is, whatever the mind can believe and conceive, it can achieve. Very good quote that is. So basically saying that whatever you're planting into your mind, whatever you're thinking up, whatever you're creating, plant that seed, plant that idea into your mind, nurture it, care for it, and eventually it will evolve into something great for you. There was a story that I heard from Earl Nightingale. It's called The Strangest Secret. There is a link in the description below to watch that video. It is a 30-minute video. I listened to this video. I listen to this podcast every day. I do on the way into work. It is a great mindset to do. It really sort of gets you involved in that, whatever you're thinking about, whatever you're manifesting or anything like that, especially with your business or anything. It is a great way to plant that idea in your head and keep on thinking about it. Keep on knowing that you are going to progress and you are going to get better, and it's going to come forward and it's going to help you, and it's going to be a very motivational thing for you to achieve, and you're going to achieve whatever goal you are hoping out to get. The story that I heard that he was telling was, if you treat your mind as if it's like the soil in a field. There's a story where a farmer has a great field. What you need to think about is your mind is the soil. This farmer, he has two seeds. One is corn, and the other one is deadly nightshade, a deadly poison. He plants the soil. You can plant whatever in there, whether it's something good or whether it's something bad. It has to produce and give you whatever you are planting in this soil. So he plants the two seeds, one being the corn, one being the deadly nightshade, and the soil can't do nothing else but to give him those plants. You need to think of your mind as that soil you do. Whatever you plant inside of your head, whether it's good, whether it's bad, you are going to get back whatever you are thinking and what you are thinking about. What we tend to say is, as long as you're thinking of something positive and something good, you will get back something positive and something good. If you are thinking of being successful, you will be successful. If you are thinking of failure and thinking of bad things, unfortunately, that's what you will get back in return. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are manifesting, plant that into your head and you will get the results from it. So to conjure up that little saying, we become what we think about. We are thinking of something. If we are thinking to be successful, we will be successful. If we are thinking of that we are going to fail, we are going to fail. So if you are thinking of a life of luxury, of happiness, you will get that by planting that idea into your head. It cannot refuse it. It will give out and it will give you whatever you are thinking about. It's something that I do daily as well. I'm always thinking about the products that I'm doing, all of that sort of stuff, really sort of manifesting and making myself believe that I will be successful in this art business that I have created. I started to do this art business in 2019. I've now got my YouTube channel. I've got my books being published. I've got my products being done, and it's getting better and better. I get my slow days. You get your busy. You get your quiet days. You do, and you get your frustrated days as well. You've just got to look past all of that, and whatever. If you do come across a negative thought in your head, you got to replace it with that goal that you have. Replace it with the goal that you're looking for, the destination that you're heading towards. Replace it with a positive. So take that negative and turn it into a positive. There's another little saying: the architect of the universe did not build a stairway leading to nowhere. And also from the carpenter of the plains of Galilee, he also told us, as you believe, so shall it be done to you. The mind can only have two thoughts at a time, so make them positive. Wherever the mind can believe and conceive, it can achieve. I shall leave you with that one. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, and this is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.